Welcome to paper solving of Gala 2025. In this particular presentation or video, we are going to solve basic maths of Gala paper number 2 because paper number 1 solution is already given. Starting from objectives. The sum of numerator and denominator of a fraction is 16. If you observe, 9 plus 7 is 16, 4 12, 7 9, 12 4, सब का टोटल 16 हो रहा है, मतलब सब आंसर हो सकते हैं. सेकेंड सेंटेंस says if 5 is added to denominator, when you add 5 to the denominator, तो 7 plus 5, 12 plus 5, 9 plus 5, 4 plus 5, the fraction reduces to 1 by 2. Therefore C is the answer. यहाँ पे 5 आएगा. C is the answer because 7 divided by 9 plus 5, which is 14, becomes 1 by 2. Answer C. If the roots of the equation so and so are reciprocal of each other, roots are reciprocal, by heart A is equal to C. A 6, C K, therefore K is equal to 6. Option C is the answer. For a given AP, D is 5, A18 minus A13 is how much? So you write the formula of D, A18 minus A13 divided by 18 upon 13. ये एक स्पेशल फॉर्मूला है D का. इन दिस दे हैव गिवन द वैल्यू ऑफ D. D इज 5, तो ये D की जगह पे हो जाएगा 5. 18 माइनस 13 हो जाएगा 5 एंड ये 5 सामने मल्टीप्लाई होगा. हेंस द आंसर इज 5 5 25. ऑप्शन C. Midpoint of the line segment joining 1 1 and 3 3. Midpoint formula x1 plus x2 divided by 2, comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. 4 by 2, 4 by 2, 2 comma 2 is the answer. Option D. Fifth, 1 upon 1 plus tan square. Formula है 1 plus tan square is sec square and 1 upon sec square is cos square. Option B. Usually for any frequency distribution, mode minus median is equal to dash median minus mean. एक टिप दे रहा हूँ, never try to solve the answer when words are written. Convert it to code language. Mode minus median is equal to dash bracket median minus mean. और इसके बाद ही सॉल्व करने का. आंसर फिक्स है, ऐसे बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन नहीं बना सकते. यू हैव टू सॉल्व बाय यूजिंग दिस टेक्निक. z इज इक्वल टू 3m माइनस 2x बार. ये 3m है, उसमें से एक m को सामने ले जाओ लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे, तो z माइनस m हो जाएगा. और 3m में से एक m चला गया, 2m माइनस 2x बार. 2 कॉमन एंड देयरफॉर द आंसर इज 2. Answer is 2. Option B. HCF, highest common factor of the smallest prime number and the smallest composite number. General knowledge, smallest prime number is 2 and the smallest composite number is 4, or 2 or 4 का highest common factor is 2. Answer. The graph of so and so is a parabola because it's a quadratic graph. Parabola मतलब U shape, but दो तरह के parabola होते हैं, opening upwards, opening downwards. If it is opening upwards, A is more than 0. If it is opening downwards, A is less than 0. यहाँ पे A का मतलब है 1 and that 1 is positive. Therefore the parabola opening upwards is the correct answer. ऐसा. The probability of month of January having 5 Sundays. जनवरी का ऑपरेशन करो, द जनवरी हैज़ 31 डेज. 31 डेज का मतलब होता है 4 full weeks, 28 days plus 3 days extra, and this 3 days decides the probability of having 5 Sundays. Therefore answer is 3 by 7. If sin alpha is 1 by root 2 and cot beta is 1, then alpha beta का total क्या है? You'll have to remember the table जिसमें values दी हुई है. अगर sin alpha 1 by root 2 है तो alpha has to be 45 degrees because sin 45 is 1 by root 2. And if cot beta is 1, then beta also has to be 45 because cot 45 is 1. And therefore alpha plus beta answer is 90. Quadrilateral XYZW circumscribes a circle. इसका फिगर कुछ ऐसा होगा. You have to draw a circle. The circle will touch all the sides of the quadrilateral from the inside. X, Y, Z, W. तो पहले तो फिगर याद रखना. Circumscribes means this figure. XY 13.8, YZ 10.7, ZW 7.5, XW how much? The formula which you have to remember is the sum of two opposite sides. मतलब XW plus 10.7 is always equal to the sum of other two opposite sides, 13.8 plus 7.5. टेन पॉइंट सेवन 21.3 में से माइनस होगा. आंसर इज 10.6. ये रहा. The mean of first n natural numbers. This is something which you should by heart, but still I'll tell you what is the method. The mean of first n natural numbers कैसे find करते हैं उसके बाद permanently by heart कर लेना. Mean is equal to sum of all observations upon number of observations. और यहाँ पे first n natural numbers are the observation जिसका total is n into n plus 1 by 2. ये अपने आप में एक फॉर्मूला बाय हार्ट करना है. अपॉन n which becomes n into n plus 1 upon 2n. n cut, hence the answer is n plus 1 by 2. Mean of first n natural numbers. By heart it, so you don't have to waste time in calculating it during the board exam. 9 plus root 5, 9 minus root 5 का simplification है 9 square minus root 5 square is equal to 81 minus 5 is equal to 76. And 76 is irrationally rational number, therefore answer is false. Question है state whether they are true or false. Polynomial of degree n has at most n plus 1 zeros. अगर डिग्री 3 है मतलब पॉलिनॉमियल क्यूबिक है तो उसमें मैक्सिमम 3 ज़ीरोज़ हो सकते हैं. 2 ज़ीरोज़ भी हो सकते हैं, एक भी हो सकता है, एंड नो ज़ीरोज़ भी पॉसिबल है. तो अगर डिग्री n है तो n ज़ीरोज़ आर पॉसिबल. उसमें एक कम, उसमें 2 कम, उसमें 3 कम, n plus 1 ज़ीरोज़ हो ही नहीं सकते. आंसर इज फॉल्स. The graph of equation 3y minus 8 is equal to 7 is a line parallel to x-axis. This is coming from 9th standard. 3y minus 8 is equal to 7 मतलब 3y is equal to 15 मतलब y is equal to 5 and y is equal to 5 का ग्राफ कुछ ऐसा है. It is a standing line. sleeping line. Whenever you have y is equal to something, it's a flat sleeping line cutting the y-axis at point phi, and therefore this line is parallel to x-axis, and answer is true. The sum of probability of all elementary events is 1. True. If question है answer in one word or sentence or a figure, so this are three consecutive terms of a phi. Find the value of k. ये है तुम्हारा first term, second term, third term. Common difference d is always same for a particular AP. On left side, I will calculate the d by doing a2 minus a, and on right side I will do a3 minus a2. Both the time d is same. Now putting the value of a2, k plus 7, minus a, k minus 3, a3, 2k plus 7, minus a2, k plus 7, k plus 7 minus k plus 3, साइन चेंज हो गई बिकॉज ब्रैकेट ओपन हुआ, 2k plus 7 minus k minus 7, again the sign changes, plus 7 minus 7 gone, plus k minus k gone, 10 is 2k minus k, 10 is k, answer is 10. Find the in radius of the triangle with side 12, 35 and 37. In radius, सबसे पहले ट्रिक, 12, 35, 37 is a right angle triangle, and this you have to by heart as a triplet. 12, 35, 37 is a right angle triangle. 12, 35, 37. In circle मतलब एक ऐसा सर्कल जो ट्राइंगल की सारी साइड्स को टच कर रहा है, काइंड ऑफ लाइक दिस. और इन सर्कल का एक रेडियस होता है कॉल्ड इन रेडियस, एंड इन रेडियस का शॉर्टकट फॉर्मूला विच यू हैव टू बाय हार्ट इज साइड 1 प्लस साइड 2 माइनस हाइपो डिवाइड बाय 2, विच इज इक्वल टू 12 प्लस 35 माइनस 37 डिवाइड बाय 2, which is 47 minus 37 divided by 2. Answer is phi. The in radius of the triangle is phi. 19th sum. PA minus PA bar is 0.2. PA x ले लो, PA bar y ले लो. So from the given equation, what I get is x minus y is equal to 0.2, and I already know probability of a plus probability of a bar is always 1. Elimination. X is 0.6 और total 1 होना ही चाहिए, therefore automatically y is 0.4. मुझे PA पूछा है, PA was x, x is 0.6, the answer is 0.6. State the mid value of class 30 and 40. Mid value मतलब 30 plus 40 divide by 2. 9th standard में उसको क्लास मार्क बुलाते थे. Answer is 35. Question 21. Curved surface area of sphere. कितना simple, it's just a formula. Curved surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. Curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h. 2 marks score हो गए simply by remembering the formula. Again formula, bonus. Area of sector of a circle with radius r formed by the arc L. Area of sector ये है हाफ आर एल. फॉर्मूला है, बाय हार्ट होना चाहिए. एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर मतलब पिज्ज़ा की एक स्लाइस, पिज़्ज़ा में से एक स्लाइस कट करो तो दिस इज़ कॉल्ड सेक्टर. और ये सेक्टर में 2 डायमेंशंस दिए हुए हैं. एक है रेडियस विच इज़ दिस, और दूसरा है ये लंबाई विच इज कॉल्ड एल. And from R and L, if you want to find the area of the sector, the formula is half RL या RL by 2. Both are same. And even more easier is, what is the circumference of a circle? 2 pi R. So if you see, the time taken to complete section A was 15 minutes. 24 marks solve करने के लिए 15 minutes. This is called the best time. But we don't need to be best. We need to be accurate. Best time मतलब top speed. Top speed और best time की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Accuracy चाहिए. Accuracy and neatness दोनों ही इस वीडियो में नहीं है. Accuracy है but neatness नहीं है. Therefore, instead of 15, you have to use 20 minutes so that you can write down everything very nicely without skipping any steps. अब आते हैं सेक्शन B पे. Now this will relatively take more time. Let's solve all the questions one by one. Find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial so and so and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. Find zeros. Middle term splitting. And when you split the middle term, you will get 4s square minus 2s minus 2s plus 1. 2s common, s minus 1. 2s minus 1. 2s common, 2s minus 1. Minus 1 common, 2s minus 1. 2s minus 1, 2s minus 1. Hence, the zeros are, अब ये मेथड वाले सम्स है. मेथड में आगे होना चाहिए लेट द पॉलिनॉमियल इज इक्वल टू 0 इक्वल टू 0 इक्वल टू 0 इक्वल टू 0. आगे होना चाहिए देयरफॉर, and therefore s is equal to 1 by 2, s is equal to 1 by 2. The first 0 alpha and the second 0 beta we have obtained. We have scored 1 mark for this. अब करेंगे वेरीफाई द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन जीरोज एंड कोएफिशिएंट, जिसके लिए लगेगा a, b और c की वैल्यू जो इक्वेशन में से मिलती है. a 4, b -4 and c is 1. a4 -4 1. How to verify relationship? First relationship is alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Left hand side is alpha plus, okay, लिखना भी ज़रूरी है. LHS is alpha plus beta, which is half plus half. Half plus half is 1. RHS is minus b by a minus minus 4 by 4, that is 4 by 4, that is 1. Therefore LHS equal to RHS, hence verified. Second relationship verify करते हैं. Alpha into beta वाली. Alpha into beta is equal to c by a. LHS alpha into beta 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 4. RHS c by a 1 by 4, 1 by 4. Hence LHS equal to RHS. And finally 2 words, hence verified. 26th. Find the quadratic polynomial. Okay, I'll have to keep shifting this and make space. Find a quadratic polynomial for which the sum and the product are so and so. The sum is given as root 5. The product is given as 3 by 4. The polynomial's general formula is x square minus sum of zeros x plus product of zeros. कुछ लोग ऐसे भी लिखना प्रेफर करते हैं, एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस अल्फा प्लस बीटा एक्स प्लस अल्फा इंटू बीटा, एंड सम is given root phi. Product मतलब alpha into beta is given 3 by 4. But it is better and safer to keep brackets here and write k in the beginning. कुछ लोग लास्ट में k लगाते हैं, that is also all right, but first step से k रखोगे no problem, even better. LCM लेना पड़ेगा, and LCM of these three terms is 4, so this becomes 4x square minus 4 root 5x plus 3. इस 4 को बाहर पुश कर दो तो k बन जाएगा k by 4, and the final and the main answer is 4x square minus 4 root 5x plus 3. That is the quadratic polynomial whose sum and product is given. Twenty-seventh. Find the roots of the equation so and so by factorization. This means middle term splitting. Let the polynomial be equal to 0. Rough work दिखाई देने का 6 into minus 2 is minus 12, and minus 12 will be split into 4 threes जब minus 4 लगेगा because मुझे negative x चाहिए. So 6x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Underline and you are back in 8th standard. 2 साल पहले ये सीखा था कैसे करना है. 2x common 3x minus 2 plus 1 common 3x minus 2, and therefore the two factors are 3x minus 2, 2x plus 1, and therefore the two zeros are 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2. The middle term splitting is called factorization method to find the zeros of the polynomial. This was sum number 27. Sum number 28. Check whether 301 is the term of the list of these numbers. The arithmetic progression है. You can see in the AP that the first term A is 5. D common difference is 11 minus 5, मतलब D is equal to 6. And 301 is AP का member है कि नहीं? AN is 301. Our indirect task is to find N by using the AN formula. AN is 301, A5, N पता नहीं, D6. 5 यहाँ पे माइनस हो जाएगा, you get 296 is N minus 1, 6. 6 मल्टीप्लाई में है, वो भाई साहब यहाँ जाके डिवाइड हो जाएंगे. 6 का कैंसिलेशन 6 5 नहीं, 6 4 24, कैरी 5 56, 6 9 54, कैरी 2 20, 49.3 आया, एंड माइनस 1 सामने प्लस हो जाएगा 50.3. n is 50.3 and n is not a natural number. और n अगर नेचुरल नंबर नहीं है, इसका कंक्लूजन इज नो, 301 is not a term of the list of the numbers because n natural number नहीं. अगर n natural number आता तो आंसर yes होता.
करेक्ट हो ना?
And next sum number 29. Find the sum of first 12 terms of the AP. Sum of first 12 terms. A minus 37. D नेगेटिव नंबर्स है, बहुत केयरफुली डी फाइंड करना है. -33 -37, -33 plus 37, that gives me D of 4. S12 is the question mark, sum of first 12 terms. Therefore, n is going to be 12. Apply the Sn formula. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. 12 by 2, 2 into minus 37 plus 12 minus 1 d. 6 minus 74 plus 44. Minus 74 plus 44 is minus 34. 6 4s are 24, carry 2, 6 3s are 18, 19 and 20. Minus 204 is the sum of first 12 terms. Thirtieth sum. Find the distance between these 2 points. ये तो textbook का sum है. You have to apply the distance formula. Distance formula is a minus a whole square plus, अच्छा distance square का formula है, plus b minus b का square. So distance square is equal to a plus a square, minus minus plus हो जाता है, therefore b plus b square, which is 2a का square, 2b का square, 4a square plus 4b square. Therefore distance is root of 4a square plus 4b square. But this is not correct answer as per textbook. 4 common निकाल देने. Still this is not perfect answer. Root 4 और a square b square को अलग अलग दे देने का. And still this is not correct answer. Root 4 answer 2 होता है. Final correct answer which you should by heart is d is equal to, or the distance between the 2 points is equal to 2 root a square plus b square. 31st sum. Find the coordinates of a point which divides the line segment joining points so and so in the ratio 3:1. Very easy, classic section formula sum. The first point is 4 minus 3. The second point is 8 5. The dividing point which we have to find out is pxy, and the ratio given is 3:1. पूरे साल इसी की प्रैक्टिस किए, वही सम आ गया, बधाई हो. 3 will be multiplied here, this 1 will be multiplied here. So dividing point pxy is equal to 3 into 8, 24 plus 1 into 4 upon 3 plus 1, 3 into 5 plus 1 into minus 3 upon 3 plus 1. 24 plus 4, 28, divide by 4, 7. 15 minus 3, 12 by 4, 3. The final answer is the coordinate of the point which divides is 7, 3. Textbook sum. 15 cot A is equal to 8. 15 cot A is 8. Therefore cot A is 8 upon 15. Then you draw a right angle triangle. A is the reference angle. Therefore this is the reference angle which you will use. Name it A. Rest of the names can be anything which you like. This is 90 degree. Cot का code tan का opposite. Tan means toa, The cot means AO. AO means adjacent upon opposite is 8 upon 15. In the right angle triangle, this is the adjacent side, which is 8. We will write 8k. Opposite is 15. We will write 15k. Here we will have to do Pythagoras. पाइथागोरस की फुल मेथड दिखाने के बाद आंसर आएगा 17k. And then you will find the value of sine and sec. Therefore, sine A is equal to SOH, opposite upon hypo, is equal to 15k upon 17k. Final answer 15 upon 17. And sec A, sec એટલે cos का उल्टा. cos मतलब का, sec मतलब हा मतलब hypo upon adjacent. 17k upon 8k. 17 upon 8 is the final answer. 33 is evaluate. It comes from the table. The table has to be by heart. क्वेश्चन लिखने के बाद ही वैल्यूज पुट करनी है और वैल्यू है sin 30, cos 45, cos 30, sin 45. sin 30 की वैल्यू 1/2, cos 45 1/√2, cos 30 √3/2, sin 45 1/√2. Multiplying these two terms, 1 upon 2√2 plus the next two terms, √3 upon 2√2. The good thing is denominator is same, no need to take any LCM, direct merge हो सकते हैं. 1 plus √3 upon 2√2. But rationalizing the denominator is compulsory, and rationalize the denominator में you will multiply only √2 and find the answer. √2 multiplied by 1 plus √2 multiplied by √3 upon √2 into √2, 2 2s are 4. This is the final answer of sum number 33. Sum number 34, circus artist. This is also from textbook. Circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope which is tightly stretched. This is the rope and this is 20 meters long. From the top of the vertical pole, this is the pole's top जहाँ पे rope tie किया हुआ है, and this is the ground जहाँ पे rope tie किया है. Find the height of the pole h and the angle made by the rope and the ground is 30. You have to apply opposite upon hypo, sin 30. So sin 30 is opposite upon hypo. Value of sin 30 is 1/2. 20 ऊपर, 20/2. 10 meter is the height of the pole. That's the final answer. A toy is in the form of a cone of radius 3.5 centimeter mounted on a hemispherical of same radius. Toy, cone mounted on hemisphere. Cone mounted on hemisphere का फिगर कुछ ऐसा होगा. This is the toy. Lateral height of cone is 12.5. L 12.5. Find the total surface area of the toy and the radius is 3.5. दोनों का radius same है, R 3.5. To find the total surface area of this toy, you need to know how many surfaces are there. The first surface of the toy is this surface, जो actual में cone की है, plus the second surface of the toy is the bottom surface. You are supposed to count this two. ये है CSA of cone, ये है CSA of hemisphere. CSA of cone's formula is pi RL. CSA of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. Before putting the values, pi r common, L plus 2r. Pi 22 by 7, radius 3.5 means 35 by 10, L 12.5 plus 2 into r is 3.5. 7 and 35 cut, 5 बचा, 5 and 10 cut, 2 बचा, 2 and 22 cut, 11 बचा, ब्रैकेट के बाहर 11 and 12.5 plus 2 into 3.5 is 7, 11 into 19.5. Hence the final answer 11 into 19.5 is 214.5 centimeter square surface area. Sum number 36. A tent is in the form of a cylinder of diameter 4.2 and height 8 meters, surmounted by a cone of equal base and height 6. Cylinder, cone on the top, ये बन गया टेंट. Diameter 4.2 means radius is half of it, 2.1 meter. Height of cylinder 8 meter, h 8 meters. Cone of equal base and height 6. Cone की height 6. Question is, find the volume of the air inside the tent. Volume of air is equal to volume of the cone जिसके अंदर हवा है प्लस वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर जिसके अंदर हवा है. वॉल्यूम ऑफ कोन का फॉर्मूला 1/3 पाई आर स्क्वायर एच. सिलेंडर का फॉर्मूला पाई आर स्क्वायर एच. बट दो अलग अलग हाइट है. सिलेंडर की हाइट 8 है, कोन की हाइट 6 है. कोन को हम एच डैश ले लेंगे जस्ट टू डिफरेंशिएट. सो 1 इसमें पाई आर स्क्वायर कॉमन निकल रहा है, तो यू ऑलवेज शुड टेक आउट कॉमन. पाई आर स्क्वायर कॉमन, बचा एच डैश अपॉन 3 प्लस पाई आर स्क्वायर कॉमन, बचा एच. पाई 22/7, आर स्क्वायर दो बार आर लेना है. आर 2.1 मीटर है, सो आई विल टेक 21/10, 21/10 2 times. एच डैश अपॉन 3 6/3 प्लस एच 8. 7 and 21 कट, बचा 3. 22 कॉपी पेस्ट, 3 into 21 63 कॉपी पेस्ट अपॉन 100, और ये है 2 + 8 10. एक ज़ीरो और कट हो गया. ऑल यू हैव टू डू इज 22 into 63 and then divide by 10. Answer is 138.6 meter cube volume of air inside the tent. Thirty-seventh sum. For a given frequency distribution in usual notations, A given, sigma f, sigma fi, ui, h given, find the mean of the data. Super duper easy. All you have to do is apply the third formula, step deviation formula, जिसकी सारी सामग्री दी हुई है. A generally we use capital A. They have given small a, does not matter, 32.5 plus sigma fi ui minus 23 upon sum of frequency sigma fi 35 into h class length 5. 7 So 32.5 minus 23 upon 7. 23 upon 7 you will have to do it in rough work. 3.285 आएगा. 3 डेसिमल तक ले जाना है. Every division you do in statistics take up to 3 decimal places, not more, not less. अब करना है माइनस 32.5 minus 3.285 is 29.215, and then you round off 5 ignore, यहाँ पे 2 हो जाएगा. 29.22 is the mean of the question. Find the mean. 40 minutes. So we have spent another 25 minutes to solve section B. Always keep a track of time, how much time you are spending in solving each during the prelim exams. So section A, B, C, D. Section A 24 marks. We took time 15 minutes. And right now we took time 25 minutes. This is the time taken to solve. Time taken to write properly will be more. Therefore, solving and writing are two different things. Keep in mind. अब करते हैं section C, sum number 38. Solve the following pair of linear equations by substitution method. 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. 2x minus 4y is minus 24. If you can take something common, please take common and cancel it, तो sum हल्का हो जाता है. So x minus 2y is equal to minus 12. This is my second equation. This is my first equation. And the tip which I had given you when we learned this method for the first time was अकेला x या अकेला y ढूंढो. ये soft target है. तो ये अकेला x है. Therefore I will find the value of x to start the sum. Minus 12 plus 2y. And this value I'll substitute in this equation. 2 2x plus 3y is equal to 11 और x की वैल्यू है minus 12 plus 2y. Minus 24 plus 4y plus 3y is 11. 4y plus 3y 7y, minus 24 सामने चलाएगा plus 24, 7y is equal to 35, 7 divide y is equal to 5. And this y is equal to 5 will be put into this equation. X is equal to minus 12 plus 2 into 5. Minus 2 is the answer. y 5, x minus 2. माइनस 2 कॉमा 5 ऐसे भी आंसर लिख सकते हैं या ये भी चलेगा. दैट इज सम नंबर 38. Sum number 39. Solve the following pair of linear equation by elimination method. Even better, even easier. The first equation is x plus 5y is equal to 11. I will multiply it with 2. 2x plus 10y is equal to 11. Reason, ताकि इसका 2h उसके साथ मैच हो जाए. 2x minus 3y 9. लंबी लाइन, change the sign and this gets cancelled. 10 plus 3 13y is 11 minus 9 2, and therefore the value of y is 2 upon 30. Now to find value of x, you have to take any equation. I take x plus 5y is equal to 11. दोनों में से कोई भी इक्वेशन यूज कर सकते हो. नो वंडर. सो मैं ये सोच ही रहा था तुम्हें भी दिस कम्स विद एक्सपीरियंस एंड यू हैव at least 3 to 4 more months for practicing and gaining that experience. मेरे एक्सपीरियंस के हिसाब से बोर्ड में ऐसा ऊट पटांग आंसर वाला क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछते. So I was constantly thinking कि this is very odd answer and therefore I rechecked if there is any mistake or not. जो ये वीडियो जाग के देख रहा है उसको इमीडिएटली मिस्टेक पता चल गई होगी, बट क्या करे, वीडियो है, सर को रोक नहीं सकते. 2 इंटू एक्स 2x, 2 5 जा 10, बट 2 11 जा 22 लिखना चाहिए था. therefore I am redoing the sum. 2x plus 10y is 22 is the first equation. Second equation is 2x minus 3y is 9. Sign change, sign change, sign change. 10 plus 3 13y. 22 minus 9 13. Y is equal to 1. अवेयरनेस, प्रैक्टिस प्रैक्टिस प्रैक्टिस, ताकि तुमको ये अवेयरनेस हो जाए कि आंसर इतने ख़राब होना ज़रूरी नहीं है. बोर्ड एग्ज़ाम में मोस्टली द आंसर्स विल बी स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड. एंड देन टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ x you can take any equation. Y is 1, 11 minus 5 is 6. Therefore the final answer is 6 comma 1 या x 6 y 1. 40th sum. If the sum of the first 14 terms of the AP is 1050, sum of first 14 terms of AP is 1050, इसका मतलब n 14 है जो यहाँ पे छुपा हुआ है. First term is 10, A 10. Find the 20th term, A 20, target. But target A 20 immediately achieve होगा नहीं. We'll have to first find D, common difference. और D ढूंढने के लिए Sn की फॉर्मूला यूज़ करेंगे. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 D. 1050 is equal to n 14 by 2, 2 a 10, n 14, so n minus 1, 14 minus 1, and D is what we are searching for. 1050, 14 by 2 7, 20 plus 13 D. 7 को अंदर मल्टीप्लाई भी कर सकते हो, सामने डिवाइड भी कर सकते हो. आई एम गोइंग टू डिवाइड इट ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड विच इज ईजियर. द सम विल बिकम स्मॉलर and it will get solved faster. 7 ones are 7, 5, 0, 150, 20 and 13D. 20 सामने minus 130 and 130 is 13D. 13 सामने divide, D is 10. And once you get the value of D, 10, you can fulfill your target of finding out A20. A20 is A plus 19D. A is 10, D is 10. Final answer, the 20th term of the AP is 200. Show that so and so points are vertices of a square. प्रूव स्क्वायर करना है. प्रूव स्क्वायर, प्रूव रेक्टेंगल, प्रूव रोम्बस, प्रूव पैरेललोग्राम, ऑल सॉर्ट्स ऑफ सम कैन बी आस्क्ड. प्रूव राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल, प्रूव कॉन्ग्रुएंट, प्रूव कोलिनियर, इक्विलैटरल ट्राइंगल. लेट्स प्रूव इट एज अ स्क्वायर. टू सॉल्व द सम विदाउट मिस्टेक you must draw a square and you must write A 1,7, B 4,2, C -1 -1, D -4 4. 1 7 4 2 -1 -1 and -4 4. How to prove this is a square? You will have to find out 6 distance formulas. AB square is 1 minus 4 का square plus 7 minus 2 का square is 9 plus 25, 34. BC square is 4 minus minus 1 का square plus 2 minus minus 1 का square, 25 plus 9, 34. CD square minus 1 minus minus 4 square minus 1 minus 4 square, 9 plus 25. मैं तो फटाफट कर रहा हूँ बिकॉज माई वीडियो इज अ गाइडेंस. आई एम नॉट हियर टू टीच यू मैथमेटिक्स, आई एम हियर टू गाइड यू. इसलिए तुम शांति से करना, तुम वीडियो पॉज करके पहले सॉल्व करना और देखो सब में 34 आ रहा है कि नहीं. अगर 34 नहीं आ रहा है, इट मीन्स यू नीड मोर प्रैक्टिस और योर फॉर्मूला एप्लीकेशन इज करेक्ट और यू इनकरेक्ट और यू आर मेकिंग सम सिली मिस्टेक. बाकी सारे के सारे 34 आएंगे. At the same time, I will also find the two extra distances of the two diagonals AC, BD. That is mandatory. AC square is 1 minus minus 1 ka square plus 7 minus minus 1 ka square. 1 minus minus 1 is 2 ka square is 4 plus 7 minus minus 1 is 8. 8 ka square is 64. The answer is 68. और क्योंकि स्क्वायर है, बोथ द डायगोनल्स आर इक्वल, आई एक्सपेक्ट के BD में भी 68 आना चाहिए. 4 माइनस माइनस 4 का स्क्वायर प्लस 2 माइनस 4 का स्क्वायर, 64 प्लस 4, 68. बट नन ऑफ दिस आर डिस्टेंसेस, दे आर ऑल डिस्टेंस स्क्वायर. तो ये कंपल्सरी है कि एक्चुअल डिस्टेंस फाइंड करना है. तो पहले स्क्वायर फाइंड कर लिए. देयरफॉर AB इज रूट 34, BC इज रूट 34, CD इज रूट 34, DA इज रूट 34, AC रूट 68, BD रूट 68. रूट 68 सिंप्लीफाई होता है, नहीं करोगे तो भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. After this, you will have to write the main conclusion that we observe that four sides are equal and the two diagonals are also equal. These are the properties of a square. Hence, ABCD is a square. This is how you prove square, by finding out 6 distance formulas. 4 sides same, 2 diagonals are also equal. 42nd sum. Find the ratio in which the y-axis divides the line segment joining point so and find the point of intersection. कौन डिवाइड हो रहा है पहले वो देखो. 5 minus 6 and minus 1 minus 4 are getting divided. Point A 5 minus 6, point B minus 1 minus 4. They are getting divided by what? And find the ratio. Ratio नहीं दिया है. M1 M2. Y axis divides the line segment. तो डिवाइडिंग पॉइंट y एक्सिस पे है. लेट पॉइंट P बी ऑन y एक्सिस एंड डिवाइड लाइन सेगमेंट AB. तो P क्योंकि y एक्सिस पे है, इट इज ऑलवेज हैविंग द फॉर्मेट ऑफ 0, y. दिस इज नॉलेज. ये तुम्हें पता होना चाहिए कि if it is on y axis you have to take P0y. अगर xy ले लिया तो सम सॉल्व होगा नहीं. Now we will apply section formula the usual way which we have learnt. Section formula is created for this dividing point. जो लेफ्ट साइड हमेशा लिखना है, P 0, y is M1 into minus 1, M1 into minus 1 minus M1, M2 into phi plus phi M2 upon m1 plus m2. m1 into minus 4 plus m2 into minus 6, तो minus 6 m2 हो गया upon m1 plus m2. Now I'll start the comparison. First I will compare the x coordinates. लेफ्ट साइड का x कोऑर्डिनेट है 0, राइट साइड का है माइनस m1 प्लस 5m2 अपॉन m1 प्लस m2. m1 plus m2 gets multiplied and becomes 0, minus m1 plus 5m2. Minus m1 goes on left side, m2 gets divided, m1 upon m2 5 आया, 5 के नीचे 1 है. Hence we have successfully found out the ratio. The dividing point is dividing in the ratio of 5:1. Then we will compare the y coordinate. The y coordinate on the left side is y, and on the right side is minus 4 m1 minus 6 m2 upon m1 plus m2. m1 5 है, m2 1 है, m1 plus m2. minus 20 minus 6 upon 6, minus 26 by 6, minus 13 by 2. Again it's coming a funny fraction, therefore it is recommended that you recheck your calculations. अगर कोई आंसर funny है, better to recheck one time, and that also if possible from the beginning. minus 4m1 minus on question B. Sometimes the question itself is wrong, wrongly copied I mean. तो क्वेश्चन बराबर कॉपी किया है, y के कैलकुलेशंस माइनस m1 माइनस 6m2 बराबर है, and minus 20 minus 6, everything is okay. Therefore the dividing point P is 0, minus 13 by 2 is the second answer. पूरे 3 मार्क्स इतना करने के. (43) Prove that the tangent at any point of the circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. We have to prove simply tangent is perpendicular to radius. This is a textbook sum, therefore you all must know it. You have written in your fair book. फिर भी एक बार solve कर देता हूँ, but I'll not write it in the way you are supposed to write in your final exams. That you have to search in your notebook and then copy. Tangent perpendicular to radius, circle, tangent, radius, r. मान लो कि tangent is at a point A. The center of the circle is O. We have to prove radius and tangent are perpendicular to each other. What we do is, we say A is on circle, take another point B which is not on the circle. On the circle distance and outside circle distance, on the circle distance is less than outside the circle distance. अगर एक दूसरा पॉइंट ले और दूर, तो ये डिस्टेंस और ज्यादा हो जाएगा. तो I can write OA is less than OC. If I keep taking many more points which are all outside the circle, OA will always be less than the other distance. Therefore I can say OA is shortest distance between point O and the line which is tangent. तो पॉइंट O और ये लाइन के बीच में OA इज द शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस, बाकी सारे उससे बड़े हैं. एंड 9th स्टैंडर्ड में एक थियरम था दैट शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस is always perpendicular, and therefore I can confidently say OA is perpendicular to the tangent. If you write it like this, exactly like this in board exam, don't expect more than 1 mark. To score full marks, you will have to write very neatly and as per what we have written in the classroom. 44th sum. Two concentric circles. Concentric circle means circle which is one inside the other. Same center. Two concentric circles are of radius 5 and 3. Find the length of the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle. This is the chord of large circle. It touches the small circle. I am not very happy with this anda. Let's try to make a perfect circle. Ek. One try more. Better. No, it should not cut the small circle. It should only touch the small circle. ये बन गया फिगर. Two concentric circles. अब अबे रेडियस है 5 and 3. 3 is the छोटा radius which is here. 5 is the बड़ा radius which you have to draw it like this. So this is 3. This is 5. This is 90. This is x. And this is also x. This sum is a long sum if you write it with proper method. फिलहाल हम solve कर रहे हैं, which I am guiding you. We have to use this as a Pythagorean triangle. Right angle. Why right angle? Because this is 90. Why is this 90? Because theorem 10.1 says radius is perpendicular to tangent. Why is it tangent? Because it touches the small circle. So there are so many reasonings involved. Geometry में बिना reason के कुछ नहीं कर सकते. So touches, therefore tangent. Tangent, therefore radius perpendicular. Radius perpendicular, therefore it is 90. And if this is 90, पाइथा करके x की value 4 हो जाएगी. Also, this is another situation where this side and this side are same. Therefore, this is also 4. And hence, we have found out the length of the chord is 8 centimeters. Final answer. Remember, we are solving here. If you want method, you can contact me directly or open your notebook. I am 100% sure we have written it in the notebook. 45th sum. The following data gives distribution of total monthly household expenditure of 200 families. Find modal monthly expenditure. Very nice. To find out mode, you have to choose the highest frequency. The highest frequency is 40. तो 40 के ऊपर नीचे के नंबर्स और 40 के साथ क्लास, ये बन गया हमारा थॉर का हथौड़ा. F0, F1, F2, L. All instantly available. All you have to do is apply the mode formula. L 1500, F1 minus F0, double of F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H class length 500. 1500 को छेड़ना नहीं है, उसको अकेला छोड़ दो. 40 minus 24 16. 80 minus 24 minus 33 is 23 multiplied by 500. 16 into 5, 23 कैंसिल तो होता नहीं है. So 16 into 500 is 8000. And 8000 upon 23 तुम्हें लॉन्ग डिवीजन करके फाइंड करना पड़ेगा. You don't have any option. That also you have to find up to 3 decimal places. This will take a lot of time. Filhal, answer is 347.826. रुकावट के लिए खेद है. That was my Vasu, the house help, who was asking for some advance. हाँ, तो 1500 plus 347.826. Let's double check. 8000 divided by 23, 347.826 plus 1500, 1847.826. 6 rounded off, અહીંયા +1. Therefore, the approximate final answer is 1847.83. The mode. Statistics is all about calculations. Overall, the method, the formula, and till here it is okay. This upon 23 तुम्हारे सम को डुबा सकता है. और ये सीखा था हमने सेकेंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ स्टैंडर्ड में टू प्रॉपरली डिवाइड. 46th sum. A dice thrown twice. Dice is thrown twice. There are 36 possibilities. What is the probability 5 will not come up either time? So in the 36 possibilities, when you see कि 5 कितनी बार आता है, तो स्टैंडिंग पोजीशन में 5 बार, स्लीपिंग पोजीशन में 5 बार ऐसे कॉम्बिनेशंस है जिसमें 5 है. फॉर एग्जांपल 1-5, 2-5, 3-5, 4-5, 5-5 एंड 6-5. और यहाँ पे उल्टा 5-1, 5-2, 5-3, 5-4, 5-5, 5-6. तो टोटल नंबर ऑफ कॉम्बिनेशन, 5-5 2 बार गिनना नहीं है, टोटल 11 कॉम्बिनेशन है जिसमें 5 आता है. यहाँ पे पूछा है 5 विल नॉट कम अप आइदर ऑफ द टाइम. 5 विल नॉट कम अप. 36 minus 11, 25 upon 36 is the answer. And 5 will come at least once, मतलब 5 आएगा एक बार, 2 बार चलेगा. 11 upon 36, this one. Again, probability you cannot solve like this. You need to take care of the method which for the entire year I have taught you how to write properly. 47th question. We have entered the section D, 4 markers. D is a point on the side BC of triangle ABC such that the two angles are same. D is a point on side BC of triangle ABC such that ADC is BAC. ADC angle is equal to BAC angle. तो ऊपर का पूरा एंगल A और नीचे का एंगल D सेम है. Show that CA square is CB into CD. You will have to take out the two triangles which have the red angle. And what I see is ट्राइंगल ABC के अंदर रेड एंगल है A और ADC के अंदर रेड एंगल है D फॉर दिल्ली. सो आई टुक आउट दिस ट्राइंगल ABC, ADC, and clearly I can write angle A is equal to D between these two. Also I need one more angle to prove them similar. एंगल C दोनों ट्राइंगल के अंदर सेम ही है, कॉमन एंगल. Therefore, according to angle theorem, the triangles are similar. Similarity लिखेंगे कैसे? रेड, ब्लू, ब्लैंक नहीं, ABC करते हैं. So therefore, ट्राइंगल ABC मतलब रेड, ब्लैंक, ब्लू is similar to red, blank, blue, DAC. This is how you write according to angle theorem. अब जो भी प्रूव करना है उसमें आता है CA, CA, CB, CD. मतलब C आना ज़रूरी है. CA upon CD is equal to CB upon CA. This is called CPST. क्योंकि ट्राइंगल सिमिलर है, द साइड्स आर प्रोपोर्शनल, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई, you will get CA square is equal to CBCD, sum over. Again, for better method, better figure, you can refer to your classwork or attend the lecture more properly and remember them. Theorem will not touch here, textbook के अंदर सारे theorems है. State and prove the converse of Thales theorem, find it, write it and score full marks. 49th question, find two consecutive positive integers, sum of square 365. This is a textbook sum. Section D के maximum questions will come from textbook. मेरे हिसाब से तो section D सबसे easy होता है, because most of the sums are straightforward, obvious and from textbook. Let two consecutive positive integers be x and x plus 1 whose sum of square is 365, sum of the square is 360. इंक खत्म. अब क्या किया जाए? Okay, we are back after some technical glitch. So, two consecutive positive terms are x and x plus 1 and the sum of their square. So, first term square plus second term square is equal to 365. X square plus x square plus 2x plus 1 is 365. 2x square plus 2x और 365 लेफ्ट साइड आएगा, उसमें 1 मिक्स होगा, therefore minus 364 will come. 2 is common in all, you have to take out 2 ताकि तुम्हारा सम थोड़ा सा हल्का हो जाए. ये हो गया 182. Now you will do middle term splitting. टेक्स्ट बुक सम्स के सारे मिडल टर्म स्प्लिटिंग चैप्टर 3-4 के या पॉलिनोमियल के बाय हार्ट होने चाहिए. और 182 13 और 14 से आता है, वो मुझे याद है. देयरफॉर द स्प्लिटिंग विल बी x plus 14 x minus 13 and therefore x is equal to 13 is the final answer. नेगेटिव नंबर नहीं चाहिए. Therefore the two consecutive terms is 13 and 13 plus 1 14, जिसके स्क्वायर का टोटल 365 होता है. Subarao is a textbook sum, so you have to refer the textbook, your fair book, and solve that. Distribution below gives the wages of 30 students. Find the median. It's a normal sum. You know how to find the median. You can do it yourself. I will do only special sums. अगर कोई sum बहुत obvious है तो I will not solve it here. 30 women examined in the hospital. Find the mean by suitable method. 65-68 का class length 3. So carefully see, the class length is 3 everywhere. Therefore this is a normal sum and you could solve it on your own very easily. Box contains 90 discs. It is also a textbook sum. All you need to know is 1 to 90 में कैटेगरी के हिसाब से कौन से नंबर्स आते हैं. 2 डिजिट नंबर्स कितने हैं? 10 से चालू होकर 90 तक है. 81 2 डिजिट नंबर्स आर देयर. परफेक्ट स्क्वायर्स कितने हैं? सो 1 4 9 16 25 36 49 64 81. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 perfect square numbers are there. Number divisible by 5. तो 1 to 90 में divisible by 5 वाले कितने numbers है? This is the shortcut way you can find out 18 numbers are divisible by 5. Perfect cube number 1 का क्यूब, 2 का क्यूब, 3 का क्यूब, 4 का क्यूब, 5 का क्यूब 1 to 90 में आता नहीं है. There are 4 perfect cubes. 54. An unbiased coin is tossed thrice. 3 coin toss important होते हैं, especially at least at most. Therefore, I will solve it here. Before solving the sum, you should have the list of 8 possibilities ready. In this format, you have to make head, tail, HT, 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 HT 8 बार. फिर डबल एच, डबल टी, डबल एच, डबल टी, 4 बार एच, 4 बार टी. By following this method, all 8 possibilities will be different from each other. कोई रिपीट नहीं होगी और कोई गड़बड़ नहीं होगी. पहला क्वेश्चन, what is the probability of getting exactly 2 heads? Exactly 2 heads 1, 2, 3 बार आते हैं. Therefore answer is 3/8. At least 2 heads, मिनिमम 2 हेड आने चाहिए, उससे ज़्यादा चलेंगे. Therefore 4 ऑप्शन है जिसमें 2 या 2 से ज़्यादा हेड्स आते हैं. आंसर इज 4/8 एंड देन यू हैव टू कैंसिल इट. एट मोस्ट 2 हेड्स, मैक्सिमम 2 हेड्स. 2 हेड्स तो चलेंगे, उससे कम भी चलेगा, ज़्यादा नहीं, कम चलेगा. 1 हेड चलेगा, 1 हेड चलेगा, 1 हेड चलेगा, एक भी हेड नहीं है, चलेगा. एट मोस्ट 2 हेड्स, there are 7 possibilities. And last question is more heads than tails. More heads than tails, more heads than tails, more heads than tails. There are only 3 possibilities. 9. ये भी है more heads than tails. 4 possibilities. Answer is 1/2. Here also answer is 1/2. So 3/8, 1/2, 7/8, 1/2. That's the end of maths basic Gala paper 1. नहीं 2. 1 का सॉल्यूशन दिया हुआ है. थैंक यू सो मच. बाय.